This is it, my biggest ever challenge. Styling a YouTuber with over 1 million subscribers. I travelled halfway across the world from the UK to Las Vegas. Almost there. The final stretch of the journey was the most nervous taxi ride. But luckily I was distracted by the cool glasses that the driver wore. He had on some vintage Cazals, and when I told him what I did, he was excited to show me these cool Versace sunglasses. What a cool guy, and just what I needed. But then we arrived. This is the place. And there was no turning back now.
Hey.
Hey.
Bro, you made it. Welcome in.
Thank you. Kevin, aka Frenchy Fries, has built a huge following on YouTube with his amazing home renovation videos. I got a personal tour of some of the incredible projects that he's worked on.
This was a joke. We did a painting. I did my parents as, you know, king and queen, but this is actually a trap door. So over here, this is the shower. I designed a shower with like LEDs in it, hidden studio. It's actually soundproof in there. A vault, and then there's like a, yeah. I could keep all the glasses in there.
And by all the glasses, Kevin meant his new eyewear wardrobe. So what you're about to see is the new look of someone who's seen millions of times every week. And we're about to find out if I got it right.
Hey, my name's Kevin.
And hey, I'm Robert, style and vision consultant at the Spectacle Factory. Come all the way across the ocean, thousands of miles.
Thousands of miles.
To be here in Vegas with you right now for your first ever glasses.
I'm such a big fan of the channel, so this is like, I'm like geeking out right now. I'm literally getting customized glasses made by you.
It's a big moment in your life.
It is.
Your first ever glasses.
It's very scary.
The moment where you see everything better than you've ever seen it before.
I don't think my vision's that bad though.
We're about to find out.
Will I look better too? Will I look more schmexy?
I don't know how good I can make you look. Anywhere you want to start? Or shall I pick?
Go for it.
I'm gonna go with the Masanagas. Here you go.
Okay. It's been months since we've been working on this, so a lot of work. Just this case alone is like so freaking fancy. It smells like leather.
Well, it is leather, but yeah, I love the case on Masanaga, and I especially love this flower embellishment. In a little bit, I'm going to show you on the glasses where that ties in with the actual frame.
I mean, wow. The detail in that is freaking insane.
So this is a pure titanium frame, handmade in Japan, then gold plated, engraved by hand by a craftsman all over the frame. You've got it on the temples, this engraving.
Wow.
You've got the rim of the titanium as well. And then within that titanium rim, you've got then a second acetate rim. So this is basically like 2 pairs of glasses.
I'm curious to know how they do this by hand. Because like me with a knife or like a pen, like it's so small and detailed, which I respect fully. I mean, I do construction, so like beautiful.
If you look at the end tip there.
Yeah. It matches the case. Look at that.
There's your flower.
Can you see that on camera? How do I look?
Can you see?
I could see. Let me see. Can I see my YouTube plaque on it? Oh my gosh.
It's like 4K?
It's like 8K. How do I look? Oh my gosh.
And then you've got a blue tint, a 12% blue tint with an amber flash coating, so that creates this kind of golden glow on them. If you go out at night and you're in the dark, the gold will just kind of like shine. It's subtle, but it's a beautiful detail that just ties everything together.
Albert, what do you think? How do I look?
Looking handsome, ready to mingle.
You think it suits me or no?
I think you look good, yeah.
Yeah? You think you did a good choice with it?
Definitely. I'm excited to see what else you got.
Pair number 2.
Okay.
Top tier of luxury. Totally low key. No one will know how expensive they are, how special they are.
Okay.
Apart from you.
These are the ones that are made out of leather, right?
That's right, yeah. They come from this guy, Luca Distel.
It smells like leather again. Already, Luca. Oh, wow. I already love that.
Luca handmade this pair of glasses for you in his workshop in Paris. We got a whiskey leather on the inside.
And then
olive green leather on the outside.
That is freaking insane.
Although, be honest with the viewers for a second, because you copied me.
I did copy him. He was wearing these glasses on the FaceTime call, and I was like, I love those glasses. Can I get the same ones?
These have like a cushion feel, right?
Material feels way different than the others with the metal.
And the look is totally different.
Look at that.
Just in case.
Instant mirror.
Wow. It's so weird seeing myself with glasses like this. They look really good. I love this.
This is a very deliberate, very intentional look. So it's not hiding from wearing glasses, it's just embracing it. And these have the jade flash coating. So whereas those were like a golden color on the surface, these are a green color. I tried to design your wardrobe around how you dress. You told me your wardrobe is like very simple.
Yeah, it's straight up black shirts and black pants.
So the glasses are like your watch, which by the way, that's a sick watch.
Thank you, thank you.
It's an accessory to your outfit.
So here we got, which ones we got?
J.F. Ray. His designs are the most creative in the world.
Bro.
Yeah.
That's cool. This is more subtle than I thought. I thought the yellow was gonna be like insane, but I kind of like that.
It's like a camo color in the end. And we paired that with a black gradient tint. So these give your eyes like a smoky effect. They're a bit larger than the others.
I like it. I like this one a lot. I love the texture on it too.
Yeah,
like the little lines and stuff.
That's the thing with JFRA. They do more on a pair of glasses than anybody else in the world. Here they've used like a semi-transparent acetate, so it's like lines of black and clear. You've also got their proprietary hinge mechanism, which is springy, but it's not a spring. It's just the actual like design of the hinge makes it springy.
They reinvented the hinge.
Can I have an analyze on my pair of glasses actually?
Can I show yours on the camera?
Don't judge.
I'm not judging. It's an example because these arms like flop around like that. These will never do that. They never need tightening and they'll never go like that.
Pretty crazy because every pair I'm wearing is a completely different material. The leather, the metal, this is acetate, right?
That's right.
They all have like a different feel when I put them on the face. That's so cool.
Do you remember why we picked the tint on this pair? Video editing. What it will do is it will tone down the brightness from the screen. Can we get the screen on? But here's the crucial thing, it keeps the colors completely neutral.
The red is still red, the blue's still blue, but everything's, well, sharper because it's my prescription, but also like softer.
That pair contrasts with this pair because this is like your pro editing pair.
This is gonna be the best for like eye fatigue whenever I game. If I play like GTA 6 for like 24 hours straight.
This one's gonna spring open as well because these are hingeless.
It's just gonna pop out in my face. 3, 2, 1. But oh yeah, it did. Oh wow, that's really cool actually.
So what they did, they took the same material that aircraft are made from, made it to the thinnest sheet possible, laser cut it into the shape of this pair of glasses.
I've seen videos of you bending it like this.
Try it.
You could. I'm so scared. Whenever I see you do that, like makes me cringe because like it could bend.
Worst thing you'll do is pop the lenses out if you really stretch it enough. If you stood on them, they wouldn't break, but the lens might crack, obviously, but the frame will never break.
Oh wow. Boom.
Everything just goes yellow. Whoa. Right?
Yeah, that's actually
but it's
insane.
like super enhanced.
That's freaking nuts. Oh yeah, the contrast is insane.
So you can game for like 10 hours in these and your eyes just won't be tired.
And actually, the yellow isn't bad at all. I was a bit afraid of the yellow tint, like
looks good.
Going into it. I thought I was gonna be like, I don't know if I like it, but like honestly, like using the computer and stuff, like I don't mind it at all. If it helps me with like eye strain and stuff, like sometimes my eyes get red, I get like headaches and stuff.
Yeah,
and
it'll cure all that. There are muscles in your eyes, when you look at things close up, they work extra hard. With these glasses on, they don't, because the glasses do it for them.
So these are like specially made just for computer screens.
Yeah.
Sweet. So when I'm scrolling through like TikTok at like 4 o'clock in the morning, I can like, I'll be fine.
Anyway, we're only halfway through.
That is insane.
Happy so far?
Yeah, this is great.
Let's head out.
Now it was time to try out the pair I was most excited for, Kevin's new custom driving glasses.
We need to get this moment on camera. Is it definitely filming?
Oh wow.
Boom.
Oh my gosh.
Look at
the
the sky.
clouds are. Oh my gosh.
I told you.
No, you don't. I don't think you realize. Like whenever I see sunsets that are like pink clouds and stuff, this is so beautiful. And the clouds, the textures of the clouds. Wait. That is so
let's
nice.
go.
That is so freaking cool.
Not only do these make things more beautiful, but they actually really enhance your clarity, your contrast, your depth perception,
Yeah, I can
your
see.
ability to stop. When you see an obstacle, you can recognize it very quickly. So it keeps you safe as well.
I could read that street sign like so much more easier now.
How many people are in Las Vegas?
About like 2 million.
And none of them will have those sunglasses. As we turn this corner, we're going to be facing the mountains with the sun setting kind of behind them.
Wow, that's insane.
Now, you'll have seen this view like every day, but you'll have never seen it like this.
No, not at all.
They not only made him see his everyday life in a way he's never seen it before, but they looked pretty awesome as well. And as we drove into the desert towards Red Rock, it was time to try out the outdoor section of his new eyewear wardrobe. Those sunset violet lenses that are perfect for driving happen to be beautiful when hiking as well. And you can just see the incredible scenery, how it was enhanced by this custom tint that we designed for him. The view of the sun setting behind the mountains was breathtaking. But there were other pairs to try on as well. And as part of this project, we actually customized 2 of Kevin's own glasses, which he sent over to us, with new custom lenses.
Specifically, these have adaptive sun lenses made by Zeiss. Adaptive sun is a unique technology that means that your sunglasses are always suited to the lighting conditions, so they go slightly lighter or darker depending on how bright it is. This first one was in a green and ruby combination, and that green provided a slightly more neutral view, but still with great contrast of the sky and the clouds. But let's not forget Kevin lives in the desert, and therefore it's really important that he has a pair that provides maximum sun protection. That's what this does.
Oh yeah, this has like a nice like gray, like...
Yeah, it's super dark and it's mirrored as well, so you just get the maximum protection from that.
Yeah, this is insane. This is so dark actually that I have a hard time seeing the mountains actually. It's just dark.
Yeah.
It's really protective for sun. This is probably great for like a beach day, like going out in the snow maybe.
That means that when the sun is the harshest, Kevin's going to get the maximum eye protection possible. And those leather glasses that we saw earlier, they have a magic trick. They come built in with something called photofusion, which means that whilst they are glasses indoors, they automatically turn into sunglasses when exposed to UV light outdoors. So now Kevin has basically every colour of lens that he could need.
Oh wow, this one's nice and warm.
Yeah, they're actually literally a sunglass.
Oh, I love this. Oh, I think this is like my favorite tint. This gives like a nice warm, like, it feels very nice on the eyes. Shout out to Luca, love you bro. I hope you see this.